Oh, did you ever close your eyes and picture something in your mind? You know, imagine it.
Imagine, imagine, we're up in a tree. There's branches and leaves and a bird's nest to see. Sitting way up high, almost in the sky.
Now let's imagine that it's winter.
Imagine, imagine that winter is here. There's white on the ground and it's frosty and clear. I can see a snowman and a Christmas tree. Imagine, imagine, imagine with me.
Did you imagine that it was winter? Did you imagine a snowman? Well, why don't we imagine that the circus is in town, okay?
The circus in town. There's lions and tigers and you are the clown, dressed in crazy clothes with a big red nose.
Now imagine that you're all grown up.
Imagine, imagine that you are all grown with maybe a job and some kids of your own.